If you want to document your rides in stunning 4K, this video breaks down the best motorcycle camera, perfect for vlogging, safety, and reliving your adventures on two wheels. Let's start with the undisputed king of action camera, the GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro continues to dominate the motorcycle camera market, and the Hero 13 is a true powerhouse. It offers 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and smooth 4K at up to 120 frames per second. What really sets this model apart is the Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization technology, which delivers gimbal-like steadiness even when you're carving corners or riding over rough terrain. The Hero 13 also introduces improved battery life, fast Wi-Fi 6 support for quicker file transfers, and compatibility with various lens mods, allowing you to customize your field of view and shooting style. Waterproof up to 33 feet without a case, and built tough. This camera is ideal for riders who want the most reliable, high-performance gear on the road. Coming in strong is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a serious rival to GoPro that delivers phenomenal 4K quality at 120 frames per second with buttery smooth stabilization. DJI has invested heavily in low-light capability, making this camera a favorite among commuters and adventure riders who find themselves riding at dawn or dusk. The dual OLED screens, one in the front and one in the rear, make vlogging and selfie angles incredibly easy to manage. With magnetic quick mounts, switching between helmet, handlebar, and chest rigs takes seconds. The camera is waterproof to 65 feet, so rainy rides and muddy off-road sessions won't faze it. It's also priced more competitively than GoPro, making it a fantastic alternative without compromising on quality. For riders looking to push the boundaries of resolution and AI, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a technological leap forward. Co-engineered with Leica, this camera can record in stunning 8K at 30 frames per second or shoot ultra-smooth 4K at 120 frames per second. The Ace Pro 2 includes advanced AI stabilization that adapts to your movement in real time, reducing jitter and shake to almost cinematic levels. What makes this camera unique is its built-in dash cam mode, flip screen for vlogging, and wind reduction mic technology. Whether you're documenting an epic cross-country trip or just riding through city traffic, the footage looks sharp, fluid, and professional. Insta360 also offers seamless editing tools through its app, allowing you to reframe and export clips for social media without transferring to a computer. When it comes to purpose-built motorcycle cameras, the Vantrue F1 stands out. This is a dual-lens dash cam system made specifically for motorcycle, featuring a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. Unlike traditional action cams, the Vantrue F1 is hardwired to your bike's battery, ensuring it's always powered and ready to record. It's IP67 waterproof, built for rugged conditions, and includes built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and a remote control for quick file saving or manual recording. The wide-angle lenses, 160 degrees up front and 140 in the rear, capture everything happening around you. This system is ideal for riders who want a reliable security solution to protect against accidents, road rage incidents, or insurance disputes, while still enjoying high-quality footage of their rides. Finally, for riders who want solid performance without breaking the bank, the AKASO Brave 7 offers a lot of value. This 4K action camera captures at 30 frames per second, comes with dual screens, and includes 2 batteries, a waterproof case, and several mounting accessories right in the box. While it doesn't have the cutting-edge features of the GoPro or Insta360, the Brave 7 delivers respectable stabilization and audio quality for its price. It supports external microphones, which is rare in this price bracket, and is IPX8 waterproof up to 33 feet. The Brave 7 is a favorite among newer riders and motovloggers who want a reliable starter setup without compromising video clarity.